Let's make these delicious and yummy pancakes today. Here are the ingredients you need, and as usual, I'll list everything in the description bar below, so please check it out. In a bowl, add the sugar. Then bring in the eggs and whisk everything together thoroughly. Then add the melted butter. Make sure it's actually cool before you add it, or else it will scramble the eggs. Then bring in the flour. Whisk everything together to incorporate it. Then add half of the milk. Then bring in the nutmeg and salt. Up next, you bring the rest of the milk. Add the water at this point. Then keep on whisking until it thins it out. Heat a frying pan over medium heat and lightly coat it with some butter or oil. Then pour 1/4 cup of the butter into the pan. Tilt and swirl until it evenly coats the bottom. Cook for about a minute on each side, or until the edges lift and it's golden brown in places on the bottom. Coat the pan with more oil or butter as needed. Then repeat this process until the remaining butter is done. Voila! The fluffiest melt in your mouth pancakes you ever made. You can enjoy it as it is or sprinkle with powdered sugar for extra sweetness. Thank you for watching.